In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a background to Firefox. This is a great way to personalize your browsing experience. A custom background can make your new tab page feel more inviting and tailored to your taste. Now, let's get started. First, you need to open Firefox. This is the browser we will be working with to change the background. You can find the Firefox icon on your desktop, taskbar, or in your Applications folder. Once you click it, the browser will launch, displaying your homepage. This step is important because it sets the stage for all the customizations we will make. Take a moment here to ensure that Firefox is fully loaded before proceeding. Next, open a new tab. You can do this by clicking on the plus sign icon, usually located next to your currently open tabs. A new tab will open up, displaying the default new tab page. This page is where you will be making your changes. It is essential because this is where you will see the impact of your customization. You should now be looking at a clean slate ready for your new background. Now look for the settings icon, which resembles a gear. You will find this icon in the bottom right corner of the new tab page. Clicking on this icon will open up the settings panel where you can customize your wallpaper. This step is crucial because it provides you access to the options that will allow you to change the background. Once you click the gear icon, the settings menu will appear, giving you several wallpaper options to choose from. Under the Wallpapers section, you'll see a variety of available options. You can either select one of these built-in wallpapers or click on the option that says Upload an image to use your own picture if that feature is available in your version of Firefox. This choice is significant because it allows you to make your new tab page truly your own. If you decide to upload an image, make sure it is saved on your device for easy access. Next, select your preferred background. If you're choosing from the built-in options, just click on the one you like best. If you are uploading your own image, navigate to the file location and select it. This action is satisfying as you will see your selection immediately reflected in the preview. It's a simple process that personalizes your browsing experience, making it feel more unique and enjoyable. Finally, close the settings panel. You can do this by clicking the Close button, usually located in the top corner of the settings menu. Once you close the panel, your new background will be applied automatically. This final step ensures that your changes are saved, and you can now enjoy your customized new tab page. Remember, the wallpaper only changes the new tab page. If you don't see the Upload an Image option, it may be necessary to update Firefox to the latest version. Alternatively, you can always select one of the built-in wallpapers instead. This flexibility allows you to still enjoy a personalized theme even if the upload feature isn't available. That's all there is to it. Your new tab page is now customized with your chosen background. Enjoy browsing with your new personal touch on Firefox. Thank you for watching and happy surfing.